Hello everyone! Let's learn all about articles. Articles are small words which appear just before the noun and help us understand whether it is specific or general in nature. A, an and the, zero article are the four types of articles. Now let's understand some examples of articles. Article the. The moon is shining brightly. The moon is a specific moon. You and I both know the moon we are talking about. The car is in the garage. We both know about this specific car, hence we use the car. Article a. Tomorrow is a holiday. A holiday as it can be any holiday, and it is said in the general sense, not a specific holiday. A dog and a cat can be friends. A dog, a cat, as a dog and a cat are said in the general sense, not any particular dog or cat. Pro tip: a comes before words that begin with a consonant sound. Article an. Make me an egg omelette. An egg as it comes before vowel E. Let's eat an orange. An orange as it comes before vowel O. Pro tip: an is used before words that start with a vowel. No article or zero article. When there is an uncountable noun or proper noun spoken in general sense, it's called zero article. Tomorrow is Diwali. Diwali is a specific festival and hence with zero article. Let's celebrate Myra's birthday. Myra is a proper noun and hence with zero article. Quiz time. I have dash extra pencil. An is the article as it comes before the vowel E. Dash naughty kid fell down the swing. The is the article as the kid is known to you and me. Mom shared dash story. A is the article as it is non-specific. It can be any story. Share this article's activity with your friends.